I believe that every person deserves nutritious homemade meals, whether they eat by mouth or are tube-fed. And that's why I've created this course. A blended diet doesn't have to be complicated. In this course, I'm going to show you how you can easily make safe and nutritious meals for tube feeding from scratch at home. There are 12 video lessons. Each one builds on the one before as you gain the knowledge and skills that you need for success with a blended diet. I'll be presenting all the essential information and bring you into my home kitchen where I'll be demonstrating how to make blended meals and the various ways to feed blended food through a feeding tube. Having worked with tube-fed people for over 15 years, this is my area of expertise and my passion. So finally it's time to talk about blenders, which is really the absolutely necessary item in order to have a blended diet. For example, have the highest calorie blends possible, have the highest protein blends possible. You do want to be very selective when you're choosing vegetables to blend. I'll try to blend where your blend comes out too thick and you need to add more liquid to make it thinner. Use something with calories or calories. You can see this texture, it's liquid, it's not too thin. It's a great texture. I would be perfectly comfortable with this going into a feeding tube. So these two blends are the same exact volume and they look exactly the same, but they're not. This blend has twice as many calories as this blend. Even though they're missed, especially like a vitamin or mineral, for example, that could be a problem, but if you're having a variety of foods, you're going to be just fine. So what I might do is put it on top. And that way, when you're giving this for your loved one or your family member, or whoever it is that you're preparing blended meals with, you can use any milk that you like. I just would caution you that some milk alternatives are very low in proteins. And you can use a combination of various methods. You do not need to use just one single method. As part of the course, you'll get printable resources, including tools to help with meal planning, 2 recipe templates, and much more. If you've ever wondered about blenderized tube feeding for yourself or a tube-fed adult or child in your life, this course is for you. Start your blended diet journey right now by enrolling in the Natural Tube Feeding Blended Diet online course.